Okay. Hello.
Okay, you want to eat the food?
It's not good. Of course it's not gonna be
Videotaping?
food. Yeah.
Is it like an eye touch?
Oh, no, I can't. I can't. No, it's like a. Yeah, it's an eye touch.
Squeeze me. It's like, what's in the back? Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Get back up. Way over there.
Alright,
No,
wait.
Here.
Wait, where? What?
Go
Oh,
over there.
okay.
Hey, buddy. Sky, where's the other hard sandals?
I have no clue.
Oh, he landed on the angel thing. He's an angel, landed on the angel.
It's right there.
Oh, Sky, can you do the clothes?
It's like,
Okay.
wee.
You like those boots, huh? Yeah. They're my mother's. Cool. What the heck? I just saw a whole pack of set. Oh.
Alright, do it again.
Okay.
Back up.
Backing up.
Boingy, boingy. Bouncy house.
He's bouncing the bird.
You have money? I don't have.
I spent my
Fail.
That's what you told me.
He's just like, what are you doing to me?
Ask
Frick.
Sky,
Yeah.
maybe
Yeah.
she has some.
Sky?
Hmm?
Can we borrow some money?
Oh.
Whoa! I broke that.
That was a successful landing.
I got a $5.
I don't have any.
Of
So.
course, you will spend it.
Gabriel. Estas niñas quieren que las lleve a comprar.
Hello.
Ice cream. Pero este niño no
Hello.
puede estar con Sky.
My name's Medea. Taste it again.
Alright, say goodbye. Goodbye.
Mr. Crackle.